To get to the reservation overview, you can either click Overview under Reservations or click the calendar in the bottom left twice. To create a new reservation, click the Reservation button at the top right. Choose a date and time. Then enter the guest's name and party size. A phone number, a deposit amount and the name of the person taking the reservation are optional. On the right, all of the reservations for this reservation's date are listed to use a reference. On the bottom left, it will let you know the amount of guests booked for the time frame of an hour and a half. The time frame amount can be changed in the Options menu. In the Options menu, you will be able to turn on a warning if there are too many guests in a certain time frame. You can change both the guest and time frame amount. If you try adding a new reservation that will exceed the amount of guests per time frame, the warning will pop up. It will also show a yellow circle next to the reservation's name in the overview. You will also be able to turn on automatic reservation reminders that will send a text message to the guest prior to their arrival. A search by date or by name is also available. If you are done searching, you can click the red X or just tap the Upcoming button to return. Tap the Past button to see all of the past reservation listed in chronological order. Green means the reservation was seated, red was cancelled, and orange means this reservation was a no-show. Go back to Upcoming and click the grid view to be able to see all of the reservations on a certain date. This view makes it easy to see which reservations overlap. The time frame amount can be changed in the Options menu.